Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. On a bit of sad note to bring to you right now is that Traci Braxton, the singer and reality TV star, passed away at age 50. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back after this short break with the full details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. The singer Traci Braxton, who featured with the family in the reality TV series Braxton Family Values, passed away on Saturday. She was 50 years old. Her sister Toni Braxton and family said that she passed away yesterday morning as the snow was falling. According to reports, Traci Braxton has been battling cancer for some time, and it finally took a toll on her. Needless to say, she was a bright light, a wonderful daughter, an amazing sister, a loving mother, wife, grandmother, and a respected performer, the family said. She will be dearly missed. Braxton Family Valued aired for several seasons, started in 2011 on WeTV. It focused on the lives of the sisters Toni, Traci, Tamar, Trina, and Toana and their extended family. Traci was an actor and a singer who released albums in 2014 and 2018, with The Singer's Last Call and Broken Things her last best-known songs. She spent much of her time doing social work for children with disabilities, according to her website. She was married to Kevin Sherratt, with whom she appeared on the TV series Marriage Boot Camp. Their son Kevin Sherratt Jr. said on Instagram his mother fought to the end. "I love my mother forever, and this hurts so much, but I am at peace knowing she's not in pain anymore," he said. The singer and reality TV star had been battling cancer for some time throughout the past year, according to reports. Worry about her came after she posted a picture at her son's wedding in July. Her fans pointed out her dramatic weight loss. The star received so many comments regarding her weight loss that she turned the comment section off and later deleted the post. The picture, however, still remains online. Her husband announced her passing to a media entity on Sunday, saying, "We have come to a time where we must inform the public that after a year of privately undergoing a series of treatment for cancer, our beloved Traci Braxton has gone to glory." The family is asking for privacy at this time as they plan to send her home with love, celebrating her life while noting that they were forever family. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we here at Links 007 TV just want to express our condolences to the family and friends. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.